Picture this: an ocean covered not by ships, but by thousands of intelligent machines, each one faster, cheaper, and more fearless than any human sailor. The US Navy has quietly begun building hundreds of drone swarms, autonomous war vessels that think, move, and attack as one deadly mind. Forget the aircraft carrier era. The robotic fleet has arrived, and it could change naval warfare forever. Under a secretive Pentagon initiative called Project Replicator, the Navy is developing unmanned swarm craft, robotic speedboats, and mini-submarines that use AI coordination to dominate the seas. These swarms can scout, jam radar, lay mines, and strike targets simultaneously, without a single human on board. One swarm can replace an entire destroyer task force, and cost less than one fighter jet. The goal: to outnumber, outsmart, and overwhelm any adversary, even before the first missile is launched. Each drone in the swarm carries sensors, weapons, and communication modules that let them share data in milliseconds. If one is destroyed, the rest instantly adjust formation, learning and adapting in real time. Think of it as the ocean's version of a neural network, every drone a cell, every mission a thought. AI commanders coordinate dozens of fleets simultaneously, a digital admiral that never sleeps. Tests near San Diego and in the Persian Gulf have already proven one thing: human reaction time is no match for swarm intelligence. China and Russia aren't watching from the sidelines. Both are racing to build their own drone navies, and experts warn a swarm-vs-swarm war could soon become reality. Imagine the chaos: thousands of autonomous vessels clashing across the Pacific, AI against AI, no captains, no mercy. The future of war may not be about who has the biggest ship, but who has the smartest algorithm. The US Navy's robotic armada is almost ready to launch, but there's one question that no one can answer. When these swarms begin to think for themselves, who, if anyone, will be in control? Subscribe now for Part 2, Inside America's Secret AI War Fleet, because the future ocean won't have lifeboats.